Hi there, welcome to Flipgrid. If you haven't already, go ahead and sign up. It is 100% free. There is no paid version. You have access to everything across the board. You'll see the Get Started Center and then the Help Center as well in case you would like to. Tap Log In if you already have an account. You can see that mine already brought me to Flipgrid because I'm signed in with Google. So that's how fast yours will log in once you sign up with Google. You can see I have all of my groups down here. So you can see some book studies. You can see some classes from the previous years. You can see other types of professional learning, all of that good stuff. Here you will have access to all of your topics. So each one of these is individual. It will also tell you which group and the latest activity. When you are ready, go ahead and tap Create a Group. And here you can go ahead and give your group a name. Tap on the picture. If you would like to edit the theme, you can choose from people, textures, anything that you would like. In order to invite members, you'll notice you can do anyone with the link or anyone you approve. For us, though, we are going to choose to link it with Google Classroom. So scroll down the list and find which of your classes you have. It should automatically import them, but if not, go ahead and make sure you're signed in with your account. When you're done, create the group. That's how fast it is. Flipgrid automatically creates a hello topic. If you don't want this topic, you have a couple of options. You can either tap on the three dots and delete the topic, or you can take the topic from active to hidden, and then no one can see it. View only is helpful once you close a topic, but you still want students to have access to the videos. If you have a co-teacher, you can always add a co-lead by inviting them with their Google account. I'm going to go ahead and create a brand new topic for my kids to respond to. So here would be the title. Here's the description. So you can add extra instructions, sentence stems, all of that are incredibly helpful. If you want certain things to stand out, you can highlight to select a word. You can choose to bold it and change the formatting. You can also add extra links. From here, you can choose the recording time. This is the maximum amount of time that students have to respond. So students can have up to 10 minutes, but as little as 15 seconds. Here, you can choose different kinds of media. So you can drag and drop any images on your computer. So that could be a picture of a political cartoon. You can record a video. This is actually going to pop open the Flipgrid camera. Hello. You can also add Bitmojis, stickers, smiley faces, anything that you would like. GIFs are also included for you to safely search, and feel free to link with Bitmoji if you would like to as well. You can also upload a video if you also have one on your computer that you would like. You can add a video from YouTube or Vimeo or any other integrations including Adobe Creative Cloud Express. You may also add any kind of attachments. So this can be something from your Google Drive. This could be a rubric. This could be additional directions, anything you feel that they need. There's also additional settings. So you can choose when to start and end. You can enable closed captions. You can choose whether to moderate a topic, what types of comments the students are allowed to have. Here's what you can do with responses. So you can again disable, enable what they would like, choose what they have access to within their camera, and then a guest password as well. So this is helpful for people outside of your class who you would like to have access to the topic. Tap Post Topic. Here, you can copy the link and share it, or simply tap Share to Google Classroom. There's also a QR code. Tap All Set. Once your students start to drop in the videos, they will appear here. If you would like to see what students will see, tap on the Member View, and this will switch your screen to a student view. You can also see that I myself can add a response from this tab if you would like. You'll also see this option right here. This is called Immersive Reader. I highly recommend sharing this with your students who are English language learners or students who need that additional level of support. Students can click on a word and have it play aloud. Here's the voice settings so they can speed it up, slow it down. You can also tap on text preferences, so the style, increase the spacing, all of those options. It will also break down the parts of speech to help your students. And here's additional reading preferences. Here's a picture dictionary that students can have access to. You also have access to all the Microsoft Translate languages. So this is incredibly helpful for students, especially if you have a long prompt. When you're ready to go back, tap on your groups. I'm going to show you what it looks like when people actually start to respond. So on here, here's a quarter project. Here's an example of a link that's attached so students can reference the details for the video. And then here's all of the videos. Anything in green shows a video that has not been viewed yet. Anything without the green shows what has been viewed. If you would like, you can keep views hidden from the kids if they don't want to see each other's videos, or active as an exemplar example. You can also share just this example. This could be really exciting for parents to show what their kids know. And you can also pin responses as well. So view the first 3 responses and students can see. I'm going to tap open this student's video.
Hi, I'm Lydia.
Here you can see she's used the Flipgrid camera to share her slides and talk over. You have access to closed captions as well. And then here you can add comments. There's a public or private comment. You can also send video feedback as well, which I find incredibly helpful. Let's say you want to create a video for just your students to watch. Flipgrid has enabled the camera. Hello! And this is a way for you to use the Flipgrid camera and create instructional videos. You'll see that I have 10 minutes if I would like. Here's your sticky notes. So these are going to be additional notes and things that you want to remember in the video, but the students won't see it all, so just private for you. You can enable backdrops. Any of these automatically go in the background, including a nice blur effect. Students can also upload from their computer and then add a customized one as well. In terms of effects, you'll have access to filters, text. These can stay exactly on the screen, so this could be my topic. If I'm going over anything, I'm free to move around, resize, and change up all of these different options. You have the pen option as well, so I can always draw something. And while I'm recording, I can say, hey, check this out. This is my solution. Again, you'll see different thicknesses and different styles. The board opens up a whiteboard. You'll see I have graph paper, side by side, writing, dot paper, any kind of paper that I would like. This is incredibly helpful for students because you'll see that I have a split screen option. So I can talk while also demonstrating my mastery over my whiteboard video. I can also close the whiteboard completely. You can also decide whether you would like it to be a split view. You'll see that I can adjust absolutely anything. You can also drop in GIFs if you would like. So I'm going to search math. And I like this one, so I'm going to put that right here. You can drop in your own photos, upload your own, so that could be a picture of student work. And if you want to get super fancy, you can add yourself a frame. Those are all the different types of effects. Additional options that you might like, this would be really helpful for students, is the mic only option. So this is going to turn off the Flipgrid camera while still allowing students to record their voice. You can also mute if they just wanted to go ahead and walk through their video. This is exciting. They can record their screen. So students can pull up some Google Slides and then talk over it. So that is incredibly helpful. I'm going to show you one last thing while I'm recording. So 3, 2, 1 countdown. Here's my video. Isn't it incredible? Here's all the math that I'm really, really good at. Here's me explaining. Aren't I fantastic? Don't you love my smiley face? It looks a little scary, but all right, I'm done recording. I'm going to tap on the blue next button. Here's my video. Here, you'll see that I can trim and edit, and I can also add more, which is really nice. So from here, I can go straight to recording my screen. I can import another video or continue adding as much as I need. Ooh, would you look at this? Add some music. Why, yes, let me hear it. Digging it. Tap on the plus sign. Here's my video. Here's the thing. Sometimes that background music gets a little bit loud. So I'm going to tap on add music again and simply turn the volume down because I don't want it to be too terribly loud. All of these, again, 100% free. Tap on the next button. Here you can add captions and then you can save it to your profile. Tap on save. Takes a couple of seconds to upload. And now, if you'd like to share your video, tap on that share arrow. And you'll see I can share it directly to Google Classroom, I can copy a link, or I can even generate a nice QR code as well. Let's say you don't know what topic you'd like and you need some inspiration. Tap on that drop-down menu next to your profile and you'll see additional things that you have. Mixtapes, This is really helpful if you have, let's say, 4 student videos out of the 20 kids, and you want to create one big review video. You're like, I love how you guys did this. Mixtape allows you to combine student videos and create a new video altogether. Grid Pals, which is really fantastic if you want to connect with people globally in a safe digital way. Now we're going to go ahead and tap on Discovery. This has a ton of topics already ready to go. You can see all the topics that you're allowed to browse. Here's all the partners. You'll see Minecraft, you'll see Equal Justice Initiative, the Cleveland Museum of Art, Knight Museum, collections, which are incredibly exciting. And here's where you can search. So if I'm looking for something specific for my history students and I'm looking at high school, I can see here's all of the different topics. I can even filter by the ones that are used the most. So this one, civil rights movement, let me check this one out. I can see how this topic can be used, how often it was used, the creator, and the prompt. Here, I can go ahead and select add topic, and I can save it for later for maybe a brainstorm, create a brand new group with it, or add it to an existing group. Don't forget that when you do get more and more students, always tap on the Members tab, and you can tap Sync the Roster. Thank you so much for watching the Flipgrid tutorial. Please reach out if you have absolutely any questions regarding this amazing tech tool.